Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and use this exclusive Christmas frame for your videos or photos on CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut applications. If you want to have a Christmas video using this cute Christmas frame on CapCut, you can follow my steps in here. So let's just open the new project in here. You can use photo or videos. So here this time I'm going to show you the first one using photo. So this is the photo that I want to edit, let's say. And what you need to do to have that frame, you can just go directly into the effects in here in CapCut. Go to video effects and tap on this Christmas category. So under the Christmas video effect category, you'll find lots of Christmas frame for your photo videos and that you can use. Let's try to use this one. The first one, this basic extra Christmas frame. You can see this is how it will look like, and there are also more. This one, Christmas postcard. Let's see if there are more. You can just explore in here under this Christmas category. Okay, this one, there's also this ones right here. So there are free ones, and there are also the CapCut Pro features. You can just choose which frames that you want to use. Okay, you can click on the check icon, or you can also adjust here. You can adjust the speed of the frame. You can click on a check icon. Don't forget to apply to all of the clips or photos. Okay, just this is how it will look like. Let's see see how it apply to videos. You can click on a plus icon. I'm going to use one from the CapCut library for the Christmas video. Let's use this one, for example. Tap on add, and then click on effects and apply it to the entire clips. Okay, I'm going to adjust the size first. Okay, so this is it, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and subscribe. Bye.